Welcome back. Day 53. The Higher Self Embodiment Exercises. Turn your higher consciousness into daily action, behavior, presence, and identity. The most powerful shift in a human's life happens not when they learn, but when they embody. These exercises install the higher self into mind, body, emotions, breath, speech, choices, habits, movement, presence. This is a full upgrade. Let's begin. 1. The 60-second higher self reset. Use anytime you feel lost, stressed, emotional, or confused. 1. Close your eyes. 2. Exhale slowly. 3. Feel your chest soften. 4. Whisper inside. I return to my higher self. 5. Drop the mind. 6. Drop the emotion. 7. Feel pure awareness. Your entire frequency resets in 60 seconds. 2. The higher self walking practice increases presence, confidence, and clarity. While walking, walk slower. Relax shoulders. Keep chest open. Eyes soft. Breath calm. Inner silence active. Walk like you are the higher self. This becomes your daily aura. 3. The higher self speech practice transforms communication and relationships. Whenever you speak, slow down. Speak softer. Pause before each sentence. Speak from the chest. Reduce unnecessary words. Say only truth. This makes you magnetic, respected, emotionally stable, powerful. Your voice becomes presence. 4. The higher self decision method. Instant clarity in any situation. Before deciding, ask, what would be my higher self choose? 2. Which options feels lighter? 3. Which path feels more truthful? 4. Which direction expands me? Your inner compass becomes accurate. 5. The higher self mirror practice. Deep identity rewiring. Look into your own eyes for 10 seconds and say, I see you. I trust you. I rise as you. This rewires your nervous system to identity with the higher self. 6. The higher self body reset removes stress, activates clarity. Do this anytime. Unclench jaw, drop shoulders, soften chest, relax stomach, breath deep, slow exhale. Feel your presence expand. Your body becomes a vessel of calm power. 7. The higher self journal prompts. Massive clarity generator. Write this. 1. What is my higher self guiding me toward right now? 2. What do I need to release? 3. What is the most aligned step today? 4. Where am I still acting from fear? 5. How can I embody the higher self right now? These prompts deep clarity. 8. The higher self emotional practice. Handle any emotion with power. When feeling anger, fear, sadness, overwhelm, do this. 1. Breath. 2. Observe. 3. Do not react. 4. Say, this is temporary. I remain the higher self. Emotion dissolves. Presence remains. 9. The higher self environment practice. Instant energy protection. Whenever entering a room, 1. Roll shoulders back. 2. Breath. 3. Soft eyes. 4. Inner silence. 5. Say internally, my presence leads the space. This makes you the calm center of any environment. 10. The higher self frequency mantra. Repeat daily. I am calm. I am clear. I am present. I am aligned. I am guided. I am the higher self. This turns the higher self into your living identity. Thank you, brothers and sisters.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.